Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathways All Time Maths. Today we will discuss about coordinate geometry. Do you find it difficult? No problem. I will tell you the easiest way to do it. But before that, subscribe to my channel. In this question, we have to check that the points given A, B and C are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So, for example, if I'll take a triangle A, B and C is said to be an isosceles triangle if any of the two sides are equal. So do so, I have to calculate what is the length of AB, what is the length of BC and what is the length of CA using the distance formula, which is D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let's calculate the length of AB, BC and CA. So here A I have considered as 5, minus 2, B as 6, 4. So we will consider A as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. Always write down x1, y1 and x2, y2 below the points so that you will not make any mistake while substituting the values in the distance formula. Now we will write AB is equals to square root of, now here x2 is 6, we'll write on 6, minus x1 is 5, we'll write on here 5 whole square plus y2 is 4, we'll write on here 4 and y1 is negative 2. So we'll write on here minus bracket minus 2 whole square. Do not forget to put this bracket, otherwise you will make a mistake. Now we have to solve it further. So AB is equals to square root of 6 minus 5 is 1 whole square plus, now since we have a bracket here, we have to solve that. Negative into negative is positive. So we'll write down 4 plus 2 whole square, which is equals to square root of 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square, which is equals to square root of 1 square is equals to 1 and 6 square is equals to 36. So we'll get here is equals to root 37. So the value of AB is root 37. So we'll write on here AB is equals to root 37. Now we will calculate the value of BC. Now we will calculate the length of BC. So we'll write B 6, 4 and C 7, minus 2. We will consider B as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. We have to repeat this step to calculate the different lengths so that we will not make any mistake. Now we have to substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula. So we'll get BC is equals to square root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 and y1 is 4 minus 4 whole square, which is equals to 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4 means minus 6 whole square, which is equals to 1 square means 1, negative 6 square means 36, which is equals to root 37. Now we will write down here the value of BC is equals to root 37. Now we will calculate what is the length of CA. To calculate the length of CA, we will write C 7, minus 2 and A 5, minus 2. We will consider C as now x1, y1, A as x2, y2, and we will substitute the values in the formula. So CA is equals to root x2 is 5 and x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2, we'll put a bracket, minus 2 whole square, which is equals to 5 minus 7 minus 2 whole square plus, since we have a bracket here, we will solve it, minus into minus is plus. So minus 2 plus 2 whole square, which is equals to minus 2 square, minus 2 plus 2 means 0 square, which is equals to root minus 2 square is 4 plus 0, which is equals to root 4, which is equals to 2. So CA is equals to 2. So here you can see that we have two sides equal. That is AB is equals to BC is equals to root 37. So if in a triangle any two sides are equal is an isosceles triangle. So this way we can prove here that this triangle is an isosceles triangle and the points 5, negative 2, 6, 4 and 7, negative 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Similarly, if we have to prove a triangle is an equilateral triangle, then we have to prove all the sides are equal. That means AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. I hope that you have understood it well. I'm sharing the link for the worksheet to practice such questions in the description box. Do not forget to share and like the video so that I can reach to the wider audience. Thanks for watching.